I just wanted to do a quick video about the Porsche project and some of the parts that had to be ordered for that project. So I have the motor out of the 2003 car. It runs and everything, it just needs a little refresh. So I went on Rock Auto and Pelican Parts and some of the other places online and picked up about $1,000 worth of stuff. So I'm gonna do a quick overview. I have another bin full of like aftermarket type parts, the steering wheel and stuff like that. But for now I wanna do the engine, suspension, brakes, refresh going into the older car. So these are some of the items that I got. So for the part of the engine refresh, we got the 6 new coils from Delphi, the air oil separator, which I mean, it's super old school technology, but I guess it works. And when it's all clogged up and messed up, the car smokes, which it was doing. So I can only assume the one that was in there was pretty bad. After the car was put down on the ground and on all fours, it actually stopped smoking after a while, and I think it was because the car was elevated and this thing was probably on its way out. New brake pads, power stop evolution, some jizz for the valve cover, gasket, and oil pan. When we do that refresh, I just want to go through and take everything off, clean it, and put it back together. Rear main seal, new spark plugs, oil filters, still need to get the oil, dry belts, air filter, as you can see. We got some OE type replacement rotors for the front and the rear. These are from Hella, and then these are from ATE. So these are the rears, and then those big boys are the fronts. They're all drilled like the OE. And then the icing on the cake is a new Sachs clutch with everything needed to install. So you got the throttle bearing, the disc, and the tool, the alignment tool. So looking forward to tearing into the engine and getting this stuff done. And then there will also be a little cleanup on that engine. I'll probably be recording that soon, and then I'll just put that together with organizing everything to get the other car set up to tear down and put all this amazing stuff to good use. So thanks for watching. I know this was a short one, but we've got more content coming. I've also got the turbo in for the 3 Series that needs to be replaced, so that project will be coming up as well. And the S2000 is done. The 5 Series needs a little bit of work. The screen actually had a LCD issue on the navigation screen, so I need to replace that. So I'll probably do a quick DIY on that. And that's it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care.